I'm happy that you've joined us as we're talking about training in this video and the most effective way to train your staff on how to deliver better customer experiences. That's what we love to talk about, customer experience. So, one of the key things that I would advise any trainer or any business to do is role play. Role play is really important in order for that training to stick. So if you're training your team and you know some of the situations or the scenarios that may arise as they're performing their duties, play it out. Get two people, let them act it out, ask the rest, what do you think could have been done better? Point out some of the areas that you feel they could have done better. But role play is so important because it really does help us absorb the information. It's so boring to sit in a training for 3-4 hours and it's textbook. So, they're sitting there, so this is what you're supposed to learn today, and and PowerPoint and point, slide after slide of information, and somewhere in between you're on your phone chatting with your friends. But where there's role play, everybody is paying attention. Guys are interested because now they can actually see the actual application of what they're learning. So role play, role play, role play. Really important. And if you like what we've said today, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We want to grow subscribers, and we want you to help us. Tell your friends, share this video with your friends or people you know who are in the training industry or who need to know what I'm sharing today. So let's keep sharing. And see you at the next video. Ciao.